Imagine a flash brighter than the sun, a shockwave that flattens everything in its path, and a cloud of radioactive ash spreading silently across the land. A nuclear explosion is not just a weapon, it's an apocalypse compressed into seconds. The question is terrifying, yet vital. What would you do if a nuclear bomb detonated near you? Survival might seem impossible, but understanding the science and proper preparation can dramatically increase your chances. Nuclear weapons are among humanity's deadliest inventions, capable of destroying entire cities in moments and reshaping the global balance of power. While the likelihood of a nuclear strike in your lifetime may seem remote, understanding survival strategies is essential for anyone concerned with personal safety and global risk awareness. In this video, we will explore step by step how to protect yourself from the immediate and long-term dangers of a nuclear explosion. The first seconds of a nuclear detonation are the most critical. The initial flash, known as the fireball, emits blinding light and extreme heat capable of igniting fires and causing severe burns even miles away. Looking directly at the flash can permanently damage your eyes. If you see it, drop to the ground immediately, cover your head, and seek any available shelter, preferably a concrete or underground structure, as quickly as possible. Next comes the shockwave, a force that can demolish buildings and hurl debris at lethal speeds. Staying low, behind solid structures, or inside a sturdy building can significantly reduce injuries. Avoid windows and doors, as shattered glass is one of the deadliest hazards during this phase. Your goal is simple: put as many solid walls between yourself and the outside as possible. After the blast, radioactive fallout becomes the invisible enemy. Fallout consists of dust and debris contaminated with radioactive material that can drift for miles depending on wind patterns. Time and distance are your allies here. Staying indoors for at least 24 hours, sealing off ventilation, and using layers of dense materials like brick or concrete for shielding can drastically reduce radiation exposure. Emergency kits are vital. Keep food, water, first aid supplies, and a battery-powered radio ready. Potassium iodide tablets can protect your thyroid from radiation if authorities recommend them. Avoid moving too soon or without proper protection, as this increases your risk of contamination. Preparation is your first line of defense against the unseen threat of radiation. History provides chilling lessons. The bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 revealed a devastating combination of heat, blasts, and radiation. Modern nuclear weapons are far more powerful, but the principles of survival remain the same: distance, shielding, and timing. Governments maintain civil defense programs, and organizations like the International Atomic Energy Agency provide public safety guidelines. Understanding these historical and scientific realities transforms fear into actionable knowledge. A nuclear explosion affects not just those in the immediate area. Fallout can contaminate water, soil, and food, leading to long-term health crises and social disruption. Survival strategies are not just about individual protection, they are about community resilience. Educated and prepared populations can reduce casualties and rebuild faster, showing that knowledge itself is a defense against humanity's most destructive forces. Facing the reality of nuclear weapons is frightening, but it also empowers us. By understanding the mechanics of an explosion, preparing safe shelters, and knowing how to respond in those crucial first moments, survival is possible even in the shadow of humanity's deadliest weapon. Knowledge and preparation turn helplessness into agency. Subscribe to Glow of Knowledge to explore the hidden realities of our world.